Alright, well, the new latch is working, kinda. I think it's back to, well, since I've been in this again, I think I'm going to explore a weaker spring for the governor here, so that it will be more sensitive here now that the latch works. But this ran about half an hour on each tank of fuel, so it's running a bit fast, but it is hitting and missing, which is good. That means this latch is working. So now maybe I'll go back to getting a weaker spring in the governor to see if that helps it slow down a bit more. So I'm glad that that is running again, and we'll see about maybe making some more changes on this again.